Subscribe to my channel Gear Up with Shikha and press the bell button to get the latest updates. It's free.
These are soap nuts, or popularly known as Rita, which I will be using to clean the gold jewelry. For this I have to soak these into warm water for at least 8 hours and then I will use the water. It can be worn every day, but while it sits on your finger or around your neck as this beautiful necklace, this jewelry is secretly collecting oils, dirt and toxins from the air, which ultimately affect the appearance, and it becomes dull and gives a grungy look. This neck chain has become dull, as well as this ear bangles. Now you will be tempted to go to a jeweler where harsh chemicals are used. There is an easy way out to clean it at home, which I am going to share with you today. It's a tried and tested method and you can be sure about its final results. For this we only need two things. That is a plain soft bristle toothbrush and soap nuts. These soap nuts have been soaked in lukewarm water and after that I have crushed it. It has become like this. Let's start doing. It's very easy. Okay, I will start with this neck chain. Dipping the brush in the soap nut water, I'll clean it up. Lather is forming due to saponin, which is a major ingredient of the soap nuts, and it's changing into golden yellow. See how it's turning into golden yellow. You have to rub gently so that there is no breakage of the gold jewelry. Rubbing is finished. See how much lather it has produced due to saponin. I will put it in the water to wash it. Next I will go for the ear bangles and see how the color changes and it becomes golden yellow. I am using soap nuts or Rita because it is a very mild detergent and it doesn't cause any harm to your ornaments. It's finished. In this way, I will clean all the other ornaments. As a dirt has accumulated here, which can be easily removed, you will see the difference in a minute. Do it very carefully. The dirt is coming out easily and this necklace is getting back its original golden color. After getting fully dried, you have to keep it in the open air to let the moisture evaporate. See how it's dazzling. It has golden color. Simply it's looking like new one. And this gold ring is absolutely fine. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it.